All right, so this is how you use that free online spelling program that I found. The first thing you need is your list of words. I have 12 random words here, and you'll need to highlight those. So just highlight them all and then press Command Copy. And then you're going to go to the free online spelling site. I'll send you the list in just a little bit. Sorry, the link in just a little bit. And this is an old list. And what you do is you click on import your list. And then you're going to take those words that you just copied and you Control V, and there they are. And then you click on import and you see how it's created a new list from the last week's list. And then the most important thing is you need to save it. So click on Save List and see here are all the lists of words that we've done so far. So this is number 7. So I'm going to put in the title and I'm just going to type it random, list or lost list and then press save, and it's now been saved. And you can go back and forth and look at your old list by pressing open list. So there's, one list. And if you want to choose a word list, you click up here to choose word list, and it can create word lists for you if you like. So here's 3rd grade word lists. So maybe, next year I would even start here and just go down the list. Anyway, so that's there. Now, if you want to find your list, just click on, go down here, and there are your old lists, or you can also just click on Save Open List, and it'll be down here. All right, so here's that random list that I just did. Press on Open List, and there are those words. And then what I do is, because the kids were just playing the games and not doing the assignments, what I did was this. I clicked on Practice Your Words, and then it took me to this page, right? And then I copied the link and put that in Google Classroom. So when they opened this, it went straight to the practice page. And then I did the same thing when I wanted them to do the online spelling test just for fun. Then I clicked on that, and then see, it has our spelling words there. And then I just clicked the address up above, copied it, and that's what I put in Google Classroom. So when the kids clicked on the assignment, they came straight to the spelling test page. And they know how to go home, trust me. Or they know how to click on, the information up here. So if they go home, there are all those games. By the way, there are also typing games on here that are really fun to practice, typing for the kids. So that's something else. Bunch of things that you can do on here. All right, I hope this helps.